I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skid in and they froze. I don't know nothing but no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something millis off the... This ain't even Final Four. They know me down, but still my feet, they find the floor. I went from living room straight up to sold out tours. Life's fire, but once I'm ready, this is how the story goes. I guess this is how the story goes. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skid in and they froze. I don't know nothing but no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something millis off, so I've been told. From the screen to the ring to the pen.
What do you guys really like about it?
I think it's the culture. I love how crazy everything is. First of all, everyone just loves beefing. I don't know why.
Take care, India.
Take care, guys.